guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'll be taking your free Coreldraw training on how to become a graphic designer, a professional one for that matter. So yeah, at the end of the class, what you'll be learning is the meaning of Coreldraw, the interface, the media tools, where you can use Coreldraw, and when you can actually use Coreldraw. Alright, so talking about Coreldraw is a vector application program. It doesn't require your data, your internet to start using it, and at the end of it, it gives you a wow effect. Do you understand? So it allows you to achieve something like brochures, flyer, logo, banner, complimentary card, and the rest of them. So if you're actually searching on where to get started, how to get started, yeah, you are at the right place. God'splan Grafix is here to take you on the step-by-step free tutorials on how to become a professional graphic designer using Coreldraw. So stay tuned, like our video, allow notification so that you get notified when I drop the next video. Voila. So let's get started. Thank you.